You don't need Isabela School for the Blind to have all those kumbaga, likes and everything. Why? Because you already have a name. But you are adding another name of Rayao ni Ilocano because you are now spreading a good vision of love.
Sa Pasko darating, nais ko'y ikaw pa rin ang aking kapiling, at sa mga araw pa darating, walang ibang hinihiling.
Sobrang mahirap talagang magsalita pag words will not describe what you like to say. So, in behalf of the Isabela School for the Blind, yung thank you is not enough. Look at the blessings that is coming in, no? In just few seconds of echoing your love. So, sobrang pasalamat ko as the servant leader of this institution dahil malaking bagay, napakalaking tulong ito sa aming estudyante, lalo na we provide for everything to them, no? We are not asking for anything from the students, lalo na magiging masaya ang ating mga estudyante from the forest region. So, sobrang malaking bagay ito para sa amin. Gasgas sa pandinig ng maraming salamat. So, our token of thanks is not in terms of material things, no? Our token of thanks is the highest gift that we can give you. It is the prayer. So, to end this, and I know this will be year after year and after year, more power to Rayao ni Ilocano. From the bottom of our hearts, we say thank you so much.
Iyo, kahit na hindi Pasko, ang buhay ko ito ay laging laan sa'yo. Sa Pasko darating, nais ko'y ikaw pa rin ang aking kapiling, at sa mga araw pa darating, sa Pasko darating, pag-ibig ko'y ikaw pa rin.